Hi, welcome back to the another session of Java programming. In this session, we are going to discuss about a new concept, swings in Java. The previous session, we were discussing about AWT, that is Abstract Window Toolkit, containers and components of this AWT package, and also we saw how to handle events using delegation event model. Now, let us learn the basics of swing concept and also learn how to create simple swing program. Java swings. Java swing is a part of Java foundation classes, that is JFC. It is used to create window-based applications in Java. It is a superclass, or you can say it is built on the top of AWT, and the API is entirely written in Java. And we also say the AWT components are heavyweight components, whereas our swing components are lightweight components, and also it is platform independent. And how to use this Java swing? To create a Java swing, you have to import a package javax.swing package. And the main difference in coding will be every component will be prefixed with the J, that is J button, J text field, J text area, and so on. And not only this, we have a rich collection of components. So now AWT control components ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಬಟನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಬಟನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಜೆ ಕಲರ್ ಚೂಸರ್ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಲೈಡರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಟ್ರೀ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಜಾವಾ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ AWT components are limited, whereas swing we have a huge list of components. So when you just discuss the origin and design philosophy of swing, and we already saw it is a part of JFC, Java Foundation classes, and it is a powerful class to design GUI based interface. Swings are lightweight components, so they do not occupy operating system window, and they are just drawn on images in their containers. And every AWT control has its own operating system window in AWT. So we call them as heavy weight. But now this becomes a lightweight component. Swing components are pluggable look and feel, we say. Pluggable look and feel ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವೋ ಅದೊಂದು ನೇಟಿವ್ ಲುಕ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೀವು ಲೈನಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಲುಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೀಲ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ನಾನ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಅದಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಬಟನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಬಟನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ AWT ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಲೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಐಕಾನ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ J component, and this is derived from our java.awt.container only. So this is the origin and design philosophy of your swing. Let us differentiate between AWT, that is Abstract Window Toolkit components, and a swing. AWTs are platform dependent, whereas swings are platform independent. AWT are heavyweight and swings are lightweight. And AWT does not support pluggable look and feel, whereas it supports pluggable look and feel. And in AWT we have very less components, but in swing we have a huge list of powerful components like tables, list, tabbed pane, color chooser, etc. AWT does not follow MVC, that is Model View Controller, where model represents data, view represents presentation, and controller acts as an interface between the model and the view. But here swings follows your MVC architecture. So this is the main difference between AWT and swing. Whenever we say a swing, swing consists of two components, that is components and containers. So when you say component is an independent visual control such as a button or a slider. where container means container is a group of components. So container can hold a group of components, and here it is designed to hold other components. Components must be placed inside a container. So container ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು components ನ place ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So every swing have at least one container. Since the container is a component, container can also hold another container. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಟೈನರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಂಟೈನರ್ ನಾವು ಇಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದಟ್ ಆಸ್ ನೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕಂಟೈನರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಆರ್ ಹೈರಾರ್ಕಿ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಟೈನರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್. Swing containers, once again in turn, can be divided into the top level containers, that is J frame, J applet, J window and J dialog. So this we call it as top level containers, and they are heavyweight also. These containers do not inherit the J component class, and the top level container is the top of the component hierarchy. And Swing also supports lightweight containers, example J panel, and lightweight containers are used to organize the groups of related components. So now first ನೋಡಿರೋ J frame, J applet, J window ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆವಿ ವೇಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೆಳಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ನಾವು J ಪ್ಯಾನಲ್ನ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. J applet. J applet is a fundamental class in a swing. So we can say J applet is a subclass of our applet because it is derived from J.applet.applet class. And the default layout of J applet is border layout, whereas in applet we saw that the flow layout is the default layout. And J applet is a heavyweight component. ನಾನು ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಟಾಪ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕಂಟೈನರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆವಿವೇಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ here we can write a program or we can create a pane whenever we want to place the component. So some panes in our J applet are content pane, root pane, glass pane, layered pane and scroll pane. We can get the pane for our coding by using C is equal to, that is container C is equal to get content pane ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಪೇನ್ನ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ appletಗೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Swing components, when you say swing components supports the pluggable look and feel, and it also inherit AWT containers and classes. It also inherits AWT classes, containers and components. And to execute a to create a Java swing, you have to import a package, that is javaex.swing. So this is the hierarchy of our components and containers. So the object class, that is the superclass of all the classes in Java, which consists of a subclass called component, and component consists of two subclasses, that is container and J component. Under container we have windows and panels. Under panel we have applet. Windows we have two types of windows, that is frame and dialog. Whereas the J component consists of huge list of components. So I'm just showing only few of them. J label. So like label, the lightweight component we call it as J label, J list, J table, J combo box, J slider, J menu, abstract button, J button, etc. So these are the components and the containers and the hierarchy of these swing containers and components. Now let us discuss about the layout managers. Layout managers are used to arrange our components inside our containers. Java AWT supports few basic layouts like flow layout, border layout and grid layout. But here Swing support three more layouts like grid bag layout, box layout and spring layout. What do you mean by flow layout? Flow layout means the components are arranged from left to right, top to bottom, like how we read in our book. Border layout means we divide the entire container into 5 components, that is north, south, east, west and center, and we can add the components to the corresponding region. Grid layout will entire component is placed on the base of grid, that is in rows and columns. Grid bag layout is a variation of this grid layout, whereas we have a flexible grid, means we can change the size of the grids. In grid layout the size is fixed, But in grid bag layout, you can change the size of the grid. The next one is box layout. Box layout means you can either arrange the components either horizontally or vertically, one below the other. The last one is spring layout, that layout the components subject to the set of constraints. Constraints ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ arrange ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So these are the layouts in our swing. So these are the example. This is a flow layout. And the next one is the your border layout. So with 5 different areas. This is the grid layout where we divide them into equal size grids. This is grid bag layout where we are going to divide the entire container into different size. This is very small, whereas this is very comparatively larger than the previous grid. And this is card layout. Card layout means you can have tabs. Tabbed pane ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಬ್, ಇದು ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ 3 ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So this we call it as card layout. And box layout means where we place everything one below the other. There is spring layout means you can place it based on the constraints. You can place it wherever you want. So these are the layouts supported in Java Swing. Please refer these books for further reading. Have a nice day.